So my name is Angad. I am a retail head with Avian. We entered the furniture business in 2010. We were wholesaling to a lot of furniture companies. We were importing a lot of imported products, outdoor products from Germany. Then we started Italy. Then we started Turkey in 2010, and we were wholesaling. And in the year 2012, we thought of entering the retail market, and we entered the MG Road, which was booming and still is booming. And we started with one store. Now we've expanded to 4 stores now. We've got 4 stores in Delhi and Gurgaon, and we're catering to a lot of people in luxury market. And how do I say it? It's mid to luxury. Then we do ultra luxury as well. So all our 4 stores are divided in different categories, and that is how we work. So there is no each key category or a brand. We are doing about 65 brands where 30 countries are involved. And we are one of the major importers in northern India for furniture. And for different categories, we are into outdoor also. We do a lot of outdoor sofas, we do a lot of living room, we do a lot of bedrooms. I would feel that the key category and the designing is that we always pick out products which are copyrighted. We do not copy. We do not copy Italian designs. We do not copy different designs. We try to get the designs from the source company, which are different from the market, which makes it a pioneer in the whole market altogether. A lot of different designs actually. We play a lot of colors, lot of elements. For example, if metal is booming right now in the market, we're not so much in the metal. We are still thinking that the wood is going to be the next boom. So we're putting an entry, early trend in the wood. We're using a lot of different woods like steam beech, walnut, elm wood, which is only found in a lot of European countries, which makes it different from different stores altogether. So I feel that is, if you're looking for a different design, a different aesthetic, and just not the design, to be honest. For the visitors, I believe the customers can see a lot of different designs and aesthetics and different colors. That is what we are progressing in. We believe as a group, we do not copy different products. We do not copy Italian designs, we do not copy their elements. What we focus is on different designing and different elements. And moreover than that, we always focus on aesthetic comfort, which is very important. For example, if you buy a sofa right now, buy a bed, for the first initial 3 months, the design might, look good in your mind. But we always look out post 5 years, 10 years, how comfortable the sofa is going to be, how maintainable the sofa is going to be, and how can it merge into your home altogether. So I think these are the main elements that we're focusing in. The customer will find our sofas products, to be honest, a lot of more practical, different kick in designing. We're not going with only metal or using different metals like walnut wood. We're going with different fabrics. We do not follow the trend of boucle only. We believe our products are at least a year ahead from the marketed products that we're finding in the general market. So first or foremost, out of 4 stores, we've got 1 store which is a franchisee store. It's a Turkish brand. It's called Enza Home. It's from the Yatash Group. So I think that I would believe is the biggest brand that we are marketing right now. They've got 1,800 stores worldwide, and they've got a store in every country. They've just recently launched in India, where the embassy is involved and the government of Turkey is also involved. So we are pretty excited how the brand comes up in India and how it launches in the market. Also, after that, they've got a very different designing. They've got their own set of designers. They've got their own set of language where they work in. And I believe that is one product that they're doing, right? From carpets, they're doing lights, then they're doing sofas, they're doing everything. They're doing from one artifact to one pillow to a candle to a whole sofa. The designing is very different. They've got a different element altogether. I believe that could be one of the biggest brands that we are showcasing right now. Apart from that, we're doing about 65 companies which we keep rolling in. We do a lot from Germany for leather, and we do a lot of Italian products. We do a lot of Turkish products as well. And we're also focusing on China right now. And right now in this current scenario, we're focusing a lot in Indian products. We want to invest more of our time to find out the right Indian product. I believe Indian product is the next future, and it's going to be the next boom in the market right now. So I believe the price that we're catering in, the products that we're catering in, we just need 10% of the handful of customers. And I believe that want the quality should be above quantity. We don't want to satisfy all the customer. We just want to satisfy the right customer. And we believe when the customer is buying a sofa, for example, or even a chair, he's just not buying a chair. He's going to make it a part of their life, a part of their home for a longer period of time. So we should not be selling the product actually. We should tell them how the story is created, how well it can fit in your home, and how will it align with the design language that they might have, and how a product can be a complement to them. So we've got our own set of designers, and they're also into sales. So when the customer comes in, they can easily understand the language they want to bring in. We can help with the space planning. We can help with them for all the color, mood board, designing, everything. So that is a personalized shopping experience that we bring in for the customers. We're not working in bulk furniture. We're not working with a lot of exponential selling. We just focus on the right quality, reaches to the right customer. So as you know, Delhi is the biggest market in Asia for furniture. We surpass a lot of countries. And I believe Delhi is the heart of furniture. If anyone in India is building a house right now, I think the priority of the customer, if he wants to bring in furniture, he always visits Delhi. So Delhi, I think, is the trend setter and the trend maker in it. And for us who are already sitting in the market, most of our products are always going out of Delhi. That is the main market. But we are focusing a lot in tier 2 cities, and we're focusing a lot of migration that we're seeing in Gurgaon. So that is one city that we're really hoping in. Second is Noida, where we see a lot of migration coming in. And I believe northern states and all these tier 2, tier 3 cities are booming really nice. As far as the trend goes, I think the Delhi market is very sensitive to a trend. I think the Delhi market captures a lot of trend very early, and the trend keeps changing. So I don't know if the video comes out by that time what trend will be there, but we saw a lot of Bokle fabric coming in. Then I believe in the next 6 months it's going to be wood, it's going to be homely, it's going to be something which is not casual but very subtle and something that you can be comfortable with. I don't think we'll see a lot of metals coming up in the future. So Avian is divided in 4 tiers of products. First is tier 1, which is for the mass, where we focus on getting the right price and the right designing for it. Tier 2 is something which we increase the quality and craftsmanship. Tier 3 is where we go with luxury and we focus on foams. We go with different fabrics, aesthetic, designing, how your body will set in, how will the sofa or the product will look good in there. And tier 4 is ultra luxury. So customization comes under tier 4 when we say, and we say it proudly, that our Indian manufacturing is much better than the countries that we're importing in, but also means it is more expensive. So we've got a bar set for everyone. We need at least 5 to 10 lakh of orders for us to execute a customized project for you. And it's just not about the products. Our designers will go over there, design everything, help you out from start till the finish, till the products comes into your house. And that is how the experience we try to roll it for the customer. So we do a lot of customized products. We've got a plant in Manesar also. We do a lot of customized products, and we always believe in finishing. That is the only key that we always bring in. It is not a design, it's just the finishing. The customer who's investing money should see that he's invested in the right place and he should get the right quality when he sees it. Actually, we've got 4 stores. We are quite renowned in the Delhi market. Plus, apart from that, if you still don't know us, we've got a very active Instagram profile, which we always try to get the right customers. And after that, we've got a website which has got all the products also online. For a customer, we see Gen Z coming in, they don't want to go out to the stores and see how the product will look in. And I think most of the customers are visiting through our website. We make it very simple and very aligned for our customer. Whatever product we're launching, we put it on the website with the sizes, with the prices, with the colors available for them to have a look and how will it look in their house. As far as the Enza Home goes, they're a step ahead. They've got everything online with the VR look also. For example, if you choose a sofa, you can actually see how will it look in your living room. So this is the type of experience we're trying to bring from showroom till their doorstep to their home. They can research us, they can see the videos, they can come, and then we can schedule a visit for them. For that, we don't have to schedule a visit. We are all 7 days open, and you can Come and drop by us anytime in any of our stores. Have a option over it. Our designers will be more than happy to help you out in all selections. I would believe when you're buying a sofa, do not be price sensitive. Do not look at the pricing. This is something which is going to be in your home, in your life for a longer period of time. It's not a t-shirt that you're buying. It's a part of your life that you're buying. Always focus on just not the designing, how it looks, but the comfort it brings into your body. How do you feel when you sit on the sofa? How do you feel when you lie on your bed? And how do you feel when you sit on an outdoor furniture? Always focus on the experience. Do not be price centric or design centric. Always look at the things which will matter post 3 months, 6 months, a year, and the things which will be a part of your life. And I believe don't be stuck. Do not go with the trend as well. Your home is an individual home. You've got your own trend. Do not follow the trend. Buy something which fits perfectly in a home. It could be a normal wooden bench also. It could be something which is very highlighted as well. Do not focus on the trends. Every house has got a different trend. Focus on the individuality. Focus what brings you happiness, and focus the designing which puts your mind at ease. So Surfaces Reporter is actually a very renowned magazine. There is nothing that I have to say, and we always make sure that we always get Surfaces Reporter all the time. We should be in with the trend, what is going on and what is happening all over India. I believe Surfaces Reporter is getting the right knowledge to every customer. I think it's a very important magazine to have. I've just read this furniture and design technology, and this is absolutely something which is great. I mean, I can see all the furniture products in it. I can see the designs which are booming in. I could understand all different companies which are also participating in it. It is a very informative, and I would say for someone like me as an entrepreneur who is looking at different products and different styling to get an inspiration, this magazine actually just hit the right chord. So understanding what other companies are doing, what designs are booming in, it's a great magazine to be with, and I think I'm gonna add this in my library too with the Surfaces. It's gonna come to my showroom every month. I think it's gonna be the right thing that we should be looking in right now.